Welcome back. Let's make focaccia bread. Bring 3 cups of water up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour in 1 packet of active dry yeast. Give that a quick whisk. Combine 3 cups of bread flour with 1 tablespoon of salt. Pour in the yeast mixture. Mix until a wet dough has formed. Into a second bowl, pour in a half cup of olive oil. Add in the dough and let rise for about 2 to 3 hours or until doubled in size. Grab the edge farthest from you. Lift up and over into the center. Give the bowl a quarter turn. Repeat the process about 3 to 5 more times. Grease a 13x9 baking pan with olive oil. Add in your dough. Stretch it out to the edges as best as you can. Cover and let rise 1 more hour. Make your dimples, and then directly into those dimples goes tomatoes. Combine a half cup of olive oil with oregano, rosemary leaves, fresh basil, and salt. Drizzle that right over the top. A couple dollops of pesto. Bake at 450 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And there we have it, focaccia bread. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.